If you use Evernote and want to clean up your workspace, deleting a notebook is quick and easy once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete a notebook on Evernote on desktop, step by step, so you can remove old notebooks you no longer need and keep everything organized. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your Mac or Windows computer. This method works from the desktop application, so make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you begin. Once Evernote opens, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see different sections there, including your notebooks. Next, click on Notebooks in the left sidebar. This will bring up a full list of all the notebooks stored in your Evernote account. Take a moment to scroll through and find the notebook that you want to delete. It's always a good idea to double-check the name before removing anything, especially if you have notebooks with similar titles. When you find the notebook you want to get rid of, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Delete Notebook. This is the option that starts the removal process for that specific notebook. After that, Evernote will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to delete it. This is your last chance to stop if you clicked the wrong notebook by mistake. If you're sure, click Delete to confirm. Once you do that, the notebook will be removed from your account. And that's it. You've now deleted a notebook on Evernote using the desktop app. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to stay organized and clean up your notes. Just remember to review the notebook carefully before confirming, because deleted notebooks may not be easy to recover. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.